Hi students, welcome to the next session. Today I will start next problem. Question number 24. Integral 2 to 5 step x plus step of minus x dx. Remember one thing, if step x gives always preceding integer, this is also same. This value is always minus 1 when x is not a integer. For example, if we take 2.1, step of 2.1 preceding integer is 2. Step of minus 2.1 preceding is minus 3. So 2 minus 3, what will get? Minus 1 only. That's why this complete value becomes minus 1 when the x is not a integer. That's why integral 2 to 5, this complete value becomes minus 1 dx. Integral of minus 1 is minus x from 2 to 5. Minus common, upper limit 5 minus lower limit is 2. What is the answer? Minus 3. That is option A is the correct one. Next. The next model is based on properties of different integrals. Question number 25. I1 is given integral 0 to pi x into f of sin cube x plus cos square x dx. I2 given integral 0 to pi by 2 integral 0 to pi by 2 f of sin cube x plus cos square x dx. Here we need to find the relationship between I1 and I2, we need to find out. See, I'll change I1 first. Here f of only there, but this x extra is there in I1. We need to eliminate this by using properties. Now what is the property you are applying? Integral 0 to a f of x dx equal to integral 0 to a f of a minus x dx. Now I1 equal to integral in the place of a, pi is there, that is pi minus x, f of sin cube of pi minus x plus cos square of pi minus x into dx. So from this I1 equal to integral 0 to pi minus x into f of sin 180 minus theta sin theta only. Cos 180 minus theta is minus cos theta, but whole square is there, that also you will get a positive. Sin cube x plus cos square x dx. This is second equation. I'll add 1 and 2. Left side I plus I is 2 I1. Integral limits is same. And f of sin cube x plus cos square also same. And what is the extra here? We need to add these two terms, x and pi minus x. X plus pi minus x into dx. Here x cancel, take pi common, 2i1 equal to pi into integral 0 to pi f of sin cube x plus cos square x dx. Now when coming to this, but to verify with I2 limits are what? 0 to pi by 2 is there. Now we have property integral 0 to 2a f of x dx. If satisfied, f of 2a minus x equal to f of x. If this is the f of x, substitute this is like 2a. Pi you can have 2 into pi by 2, 2a. Sin pi minus theta, sin theta only. Cos pi minus theta, cos square is there, that's why cos only. So f of x will, f of 2a minus x, again what you are getting? F of x. That's why we can write this integral 2 into integral 0 to a. So 2i1 equal to, this is 2 times of pi 0 to a, that is pi by 2 f of sin cube x plus cos square x into dx. Here 2 cancel, finally I1 equal to pi into, this complete value is called which one? I2. So here I1 equal to pi into I2, that is, any option is there? None of these. Option D. Because they are not given this option, that's why. Next, Question number 26. 26 is given integral 0 to pi x tan x by secant x plus cos x dx. Okay, first consider this is I am applying property integral 0 to a f of x dx equal to integral 0 to a f of a minus x 0 to pi, wherever x is the substitute I minus x tan of pi minus x by secant of pi minus x plus cos of pi minus x. Now E equal to integral 0 to pi tan 180 minus x is minus tan, that is minus of pi minus x by tan x, secant 180 minus x minus secant, cos of 180 minus minus cos, that's why overall minus is common, remaining secant plus cos x. Now I'll add this 1 and 2 because denominators are same, integral limits also same. By adding 1 and 2 left side 2y, integral limits is same, denominator also same, secant x plus cos x. Tan x also common will be there. I have to add these two. By adding x and pi minus x, what you will get? Only pi into tan x dx. Now take pi is common. Pi into integral 0 to pi tan x I can write sin x by cos x. Secant x I can write 1 by cos x plus cos x. By taking LCM in right side, for numerator and denominator LCM terms is same only. So here 2i equal to pi into integral 0 to pi, numerator what will get? Only sin x 1 plus cos square x into dx. Now cos derivative is minus n, but sin is present in numerator now, that's why I will substitute cos x is t. By differentiating this, minus sin x dx equal to dt, that is sin x dx equal to minus dt. By changing limits, lower limit t, what is the lower limit? X value 0, cos 0 1, upper limit pi, cos pi is minus 1, that is 2y equal to pi into integral 1 to minus 1 sin x dx is minus dt by 1 by 1 plus t square. Here minus is common, by minus pi integral 1 to minus 1 by 1 plus t square dt. So I equal to minus pi by 2. Now 1 by 1 plus x square formula, tan inverse t, we have formula already, 1 to minus 1, that is minus pi by 2, substitute upper limit, tan inverse of minus 1, that is minus pi by 4, minus tan inverse of 1, that is pi by 4, minus pi by 2 into minus pi by 4 minus pi, that is minus 2 pi, minus pi by 2 will get ma, because minus 45 minus 45, that is minus 90, minus into minus plus, pi square by 4 is the answer, that is option A. Next, question number 27. For any integer n, integral 0 to pi e power cos square x cos cube of 2n plus 1 x dx. I will use the property here. Now what here f of x I will take? E power cos square x into cos cube of 2n plus 1x. According to property f of 2a minus x, that is pi minus x, e power cos square of pi minus x into cos cube of 2n plus 1 into pi minus x. Cos 180 minus there is minus cos theta, but whole square is there. This will get only cos square. This is clearly odd number. Pi minus theta, 3 pi minus theta, 5 pi minus theta, like that, n value, any value if you take. This also what, like 180 minus theta, minus is there, whole cube, so its negative will come. Overall this will becomes minus cos cube of 2n plus 1 of x. Here f of 2a minus x equal to minus f of x. According to property, the value of integral is 0. No need to verify further values. Next, question number 28. In question number 28, the value of integral 0 to pi log of 1 plus cos x dx. Okay, it's actually PU model. I'll consider this is I. I'll apply property integral 0 to a f of x dx. Property what? Integral 0 to a f of a minus x. So log of 1 plus cos of pi minus x dx. That is I equal to integral 0 to pi log of 1 cos 180 minus theta is minus cos theta only. So minus cos x dx. This is equation number 2. Now I'll add this 1 and 2 equations. By adding 1 and 2, left side will get 2i. The integral limits are same. Now log of 1 plus cos x plus log of 1 minus cos x into dx. Now log a plus log b, that is log of a into b. 1 plus cos x into 1 minus cos, that is 1 minus cos square x dx. Here 2i equal to 0 to pi log of 1 minus cos square x is sin square x dx. Now this power will come friend, that is 2i equal to 2 into integral 0 to pi log of sin x dx. Now 2 to cancel. Now I'll apply the property here. Just now I did the f of a minus x, 2a minus x property. If this is f of x means log of sin pi minus x. Sin 180 minus theta, sin that is log sin x only. So which property is satisfied here? Log f of 2a minus x equal to f of x property is satisfied. According to this condition, integral 0 to 2a we can f of x dx we can write 2 into integral 0 to a. 0 to 2a we can write 0. 2 into integral 0 to 2a, half is what? Pi by 2. So log sin x dx. Already in synopsis we given this standard value integral 0 to pi by 2. Log sin x dx value is minus pi by 2 log 2. 2 cancel. Answer is minus pi log 2 is the answer. That is option B is the correct one. Next question number 29. 29 is given summation of n equal to 1 to 10 integral minus 2n minus 1 minus 2n sin power 27xi 27x dx only plus summation n equal to 1 to 10 integral 2n to 2n plus 1 sin power 27x dx. This value we need to find out. Okay, I'll consider this value is I minus 2n minus 1 minus 2n sin power 27x dx. Summation is common, but first we need to find that integral value. Now here negative limits is there, here positive values are there. For that I will substitute r minus x equal to t. From this x equal to what? Minus t. Now here dx what will get? Minus dt. Directly I am writing. Lower limit t equal to what is the lower limit? Minus 2n minus 1. Minus of minus plus 2n plus 1. Upper limit t value minus of minus 2n is 2n. So I equal to lower limit is 2n plus 1, upper limit is 2n, sin power 27 of x means minus t, dx is minus dt. I equal to sin of minus theta is minus sin theta, because whole power odd number is there. This minus will get 2n plus 1 to 2n minus sin power 27t into minus dt. This minus into minus plus we will get I equal to integral 2n plus 1 to 2n sin power 27t into dt. But I did 2n to 2n plus 1. I will interchange the limits. Whenever you interchange the limits, sign changes. That is I equal to minus integral 2n to 2n plus 1 sin power 27t into dt. Now the limits are become same for second integral term also. That's why I will replace t and dt, t with x symbol, dt with dx symbol. That is I equal to minus 2n to integral 2n to 2n plus 1 sin power 27x into dx. Already left side what is I is there? Minus 2n minus 1 minus 2n sin power 27x dx. Send this side, it becomes plus 2n to 2n plus 1 sin power 27x into dx. This value becomes what here? 0. If you take summation also, sum of any value you are taking, the integral value becomes 0 means sum of these two, because summation we can take common overall. So the value of this is clearly 0. That is option D. Next, question number 30. If f is continuous for all real values of x, then summation of r equal to 1 to n integral 0 to 1 f of r minus 1 plus x dx. This value we need to find in terms of integral values only. Okay, see once. Substitute first r value 1. If you substitute 1, what will you get? 1 minus 1 f of x dx. If you substitute 2, integral limits is same. What will you get? 1 plus x dx. Substitute 3, f of 2 plus x dx. Plus and so on. Last, if you substitute n 0 to 1, f of n minus 1 plus x dx in the place of r. But I want to change all values in terms of f of x only. If you consider this is t, for example 1 plus x is t. Now what will get x value from this? Clearly dx equal to dt only, both are same. I am not changing for remaining. Remaining also will get same limits, but limit will be changes. Here what lower limit will come? T. X value 0 here, 0 plus 1 that is 1. Upper limit 1 plus 1 that is 2. There is a consecutive will come pair limits 0 to 1, 1 to 2, next year 2 to 3 like that. Then splitting parts we can make as a single integral term we can make. So from this finally integral 1 to 2 will get f of t will get dt. So dummy variable again t we can replace with x, and dx we can replace, dt we replace with dt we replace with dx value. That's why as for that term, if you take particularly if you take that's special value I, this value is considered as I. Only one understanding purpose I am doing 1 to 2 f of t into dt stated as same variable. That's why we got dx dt same. So t replace with x, dt replace with dx. That's why like that we can change the remaining also. From 1 integral 0 to 1 f of x dx. Second value becomes 1 to 2 f of x dx. Similarly, if you take this is t, lower limit what? 2 plus 0, 2 will come, 2 plus 1 3. That is integral 2 to 3 f of x dx will get, plus and so on. Now here what you will take here? This is t means lower limit 0 substitute n minus 1 will come. Upper limit 1 substitute will get n to f of x dx. Here splitting is very easy. Already you have splitting property. Integral a to b f of x dx is a to c f of x dx plus c to b f of x dx. Like that 0 to 1 f of x, 1 to 2 f of x, 2 to 3 f of x and so on n minus 1 to n. What is the lower limit? 0. What is the last limit is n. That's why this completely we can write integral 0 to n f of x dx. They made into n subparts, subintervals 0 to 1, 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4, 4 to 5 like that. That's why that is option A is the correct one. Question number 31. Integral 0 to pi by 2 x into modulus of sin square x minus 1 by 2 dx. So value we need to find out. integral 0 to pi by 2 x into, take LCM, 2 sin square x minus 1 by 2 dx. So mod of 1 by 2 is 1 by 2 is common. 1 by 2 into integral 0 to pi by 2 x into, I will take minus common from this, mod I can take reverse also, 1 minus 2 sin square x dx. Inside mod negative also becomes positive. 1 by 2 integral 0 to pi by 2 x into 1 minus 2 sin square x formula is cos 2x formula dx. Here for simplification purpose I will put 2x is t. From this x value what you will get? T by 2. Now differentiate here only, dx is equal to what you will get? dt by 2. Lower limit t 0, 2 into 0 0. Upper limit t equal to 2 into pi by 2, that is pi. 1 by 2 into integral 0 to pi, x value is called t by 2, mod of cos t into dt by 2. Total how many t values is there here? 2, 2, 2. Total 8 will get. 1 by 8 into 0 to pi t into mod of cos t dt. Now I will apply property. This considered as equation number 1 I. Now I will apply property integral 0 to a f of x dx equal to integral 0 to f of a minus x, because we need to eliminate this t, then only we can integrate this value. This integral 0 to pi minus t into modulus of cos of pi minus t into dt. 1 by 8 integral 0 to pi minus t mod of cos 180 minus theta is minus cos theta, but modulus is there, it will becomes cos t only. Now I'll add this 1 and 2. By adding 1 and 2 what you will get? 2y. 1 by 8 is common, 0 to pi, mod cos t also common, dt. We need to add these two values. By adding, tt cancel, pi is the remaining. 2y equal to pi by 8 integral 0 to pi cos t dt. Again it is also satisfying property f of 2a minus x equal to f of x. This mod function is not changing. Reason, mod of cos of pi minus x, you will get mod cos x only. That's why we can write this is 2 into integral 0 to a. Integral 0 to 2a f of x dx. When it is satisfied this condition, we can write 2 into integral 0 to pi by 2. So 2y equal to, this you can write 2 pi by 8 integral 0 to pi by 2. When 0 to pi by 2 means which quadrant? First quadrant. First quadrant cos is positive. We can remove the modulus, that is cos t dt. 2 cancel. I equal to pi by 8 integral of cos is sin t from 0 to pi by 2. Pi by 8 is upper limit, sin pi by 2 1, sin 0 is 0. Finally answer is pi by 8. It's a little bit lengthy only. No shortcut for this. That is option C is the correct one. Next question, they given I1, I2, I3 and I4. Which among these 0, which is not 0, we need to find out. First this one we will find out value. Consider as 1. Apply property. Same. Integral 0 to a f of x dx equal to integral 0 to a f of a minus x. 1 plus sin of pi by 2 minus x cos of pi by 2 minus x dx. I1 equal to integral 0 to pi by 2 sin 90 minus theta is cos theta sin theta by 1 plus cos x into sin x dx. Now I will add 1 and 2 because denominators are same, integral limits are same. By adding 1 and 2, 2i1 equal to integral 0 to pi by 2, numerators sin minus cos, cos minus sin. By denominator is 1 plus sin into cos. This value clearly what? It is 0. 0 by anything is 0, integral value also 0. And coming to I2, integral 0 to 2 pi cos power 6x dx. Now you will check with cos power 6 2 pi minus x. 2 pi minus x of fourth quadrant, positive, function not changing. It is satisfied property f of 2a minus x equal to f of x. We can write 2 into integral 0 to pi cos power 6x dx. Again you will check one more time. Cos power 6 pi minus x. Pi minus theta is minus cos theta only, but whole power 6, that's why this also positive equal. Again you will write one more time 2 into 2 integral 0 to pi by 2 cos power 6x dx. But anyway, if you solve this, it never becomes 0. That's why here I2 value clearly not equal to 0. To get 0, have chances what? Either it is an odd function, it's not odd, it is even function clearly, and is satisfied this property also. If you got minus means, then it is value 0, but it is not 0 for any other conditions also. Next, I3, integral minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 sin cube x dx. Clearly sin cube x is odd function. Whenever odd function, according to property integral minus a to a, f of x dx, f is a odd function, integral value becomes 0. Next I4, integral 0 to 1 log of 1 by x minus 1 into dx. This value we need to simplify. Integral 0 to 1 log of, take LCM, 1 minus x by x dx. We can simplify this directly also, we can't do. So here u I will take log of 1 minus x by y, simply here only will take as it is. Simplifying again, u by v formula we need to apply. U I will take log of 1 by x minus 1, v dash is 1, u dash log derivative 1 by x, again 1 by x derivative is minus 1 by x square. This x value comes to numerator, that is minus x by x square. Okay, now u dash equal to what? Minus 1 by x. V, what will get? Integral of 1 dx, that is x. Apply uv formula. I4 equal to u into v. U is what? Log of 1 by x minus 1 into v is x. Limits is from 0 to 1. Integral 0 to 1, u dash is minus 1 by x, v is into x dx. Here integral value, if substitute here 1 by 1, it is 0. 1 minus 1, 0 will get. Log 0 is not defined clearly. That's why. So according to this, we are getting infinity, but infinity is not satisfying this. Infinity should not get here. So we will use property only. With the property what? If we simplify this, 1 by 0 to 1, you can take 1 minus x by x dx. It's considered as equation number 1. According to this, I'll apply property integral 0 to a f of x dx, f of a minus x, 1 minus of 1 minus x by 1 minus x dx. Here 1 cancel, numerator becomes integral 0 to 1 log x by 1 minus x dx. I will reverse this, integral 0 to 1 log of 1 minus x by x whole inverse, that power will come friend, minus integral 0 to 1 log of 1 minus x by x dx. From equation number 1, this complete value what? I4. That is I4 minus I4. 2I4 equal to 0. That is I4 equal to 0. Finally, I1, I3, I4 are 0. I2 is not equal to 0. That is option C is the correct one. Next, question number 33. 33, f of x and g of x are continuous in closed interval 0, a, satisfying f of x equal to f of a minus x, g of x equal to, so g of x plus g of a minus x equal to a. Here we need to find integral 0 to a f of x into g of x dx. It's considered as I. I'll send g of x that side. From this g of a minus x becomes a minus g of x. I'll apply property here. I equal to integral 0 to a f of a minus x into g of a minus x dx. Here f of a minus x equal to what here? Clearly f of x. No need to write also. Here g of a minus x as it is into dx. Now I'll add 1 and 2. By adding 1 and 2, what here? 2y integral 0 to a. What is the common term? F of x is common. We are adding g of x and g of a minus x. G of x plus g of a minus x value what? Clearly a. That is integral 0 to a into f of x dx. Send that to that side. Take a common. A by 2 into integral 0 to a f of x dx. That is the value of this given term. That is option B. Is the correct one. Next, question number 34. Question number 34, integral 0 to a x power m into a minus x whole power m whole power n only into dx equal to k. We need to find integral 0 to a x power n into a minus x whole power m dx. I'll apply property integral 0 to a minus x whole power m, a minus of a minus x whole power n dx is equal to what? K. A cancel, integral 0 to a minus x whole power m minus of minus plus x power n dx. This value only they are asking, that is the value is k. Both are equal only. That is option A. Next, question number 35. 35 given integral minus pi by 4 to pi by 4 e power x into secant square x dx by e power 2x minus 1. Here we need to verify first this is even function or odd function according to the property integral minus a to a f of x dx. Here f of x is e power x into secant square x by e power 2x minus 1. I'll use property. I'll substitute x with minus x, e power minus x, secant square of minus x, e power minus 2x minus 1. We need to simplify this. Secant of minus theta is the secant theta only, that is secant square x clearly. E power minus 2x I can write 1 by e power 2x minus 1. E power 2x is LCM, it will comes to numerator. E power 2x into e power minus x into secant square x by LCM means 1 minus e power 2x. E power 2x into e power minus x is e power x into secant square x. I can take minus common here. By taking minus common, what you will get? E power 2x minus 1. This is minus f of x. It is clearly the condition for odd function. So f is odd. The integral value clearly 0. If you consider this is I, integral value is 0. That is option A is the correct one. Next, question number 36. U equal to integral 0 to pi by 2 cos of 2 pi by 3 sin square x dx v equal to integral 0 to pi by 2 cos of pi by 3 sin x dx. In this, we need to verify relation between again u and v. We need to find out. I'll consider this 2 pi by 3 sin square x is t. Two pi by 3 sin square x. Or if we take only sin square x is t, what will we get? See. Take sin square x is t, what is the value? Differentiate this. 2 sin x cos x into dx equal to dt. Now here, now not by substituting, you can apply property only, it is useful. I'll apply same integral 0 to a f of x dx, integral 0 to f of a minus x dx, sin square of pi by 2 minus x dx, u equal to integral 0 to pi by 2 cos of 2 pi by 3 sin 90 minus theta, that is cos theta, that is cos square x dx. I'll add 1 and 2. 2u equal to integral 0 to pi by 2 cos of 2 pi by 3 sin square x plus cos of 2 pi by 3 cos square x dx. This I will take c, this I will take d, cos c plus cos d. What is the formula? 2 cos c plus d by 2. C in d both 2 pi by 3 common, sin square x plus cos square x by 2. 2 cancel into cos of c minus d, that is 2 pi by 3 common, cos square x minus sin square x by 2. Here also 2 cancel into dx. To convert this one into in terms of v, integral 0 to pi by 2, 2u is there, take 2 common, cos sin square plus cos square is 1, 1 into pi by, that is pi by 3, into cos of what remaining? Pi by 3 into cos 2x into dx. Here 2 cancel, again cos pi by 3 value what? Cos 60, 1 by 2, that is u equal to 1 by 2 into integral 0 to pi by 2 cos of pi by 3 cos 2x dx. But we need angle in terms of only x, but 2x, that's why I'll take 2x is t. Now dx is equal to what will get? dt by 2. Lower limit t value 2 into 0, 0. Upper limit 2 into pi by 2, that is pi. That is u equal to 1 by 2 into integral 0 to pi cos of pi by 3 into cos t into dx is what? dt by 2. 2 2s are 4. That is 1 by 4 integral 0 to pi cos of pi by 3 into cos t dt. But it's not exactly same. We need in terms of sign and 0 to pi by 2 required. I'll apply property here. Cos of pi by 3 cos pi minus t. Cos pi minus theta is minus cos theta only. That is minus pi by 3 cos t. But cos of minus theta is cos theta. That's why this will get cos of pi by 3 cos t only. This property clearly satisfied what? F of 2a minus x equal to f of x, condition satisfied. That's why we can write this 2 into integral 0 to pi by 2 cos of pi by 3 cos t dt. Here 2 1s are, 2 2s are. Still is not simplified. We need in terms of sign. So here u is equal to what finally? 1 by 2 integral 0 to pi by 2 cos of pi by 3 cos t into dt. Now this is considered as equation number 1. Now I'll apply property one more time. Integral 0 to a f of x dx equal to integral 0 to f of a minus x. U equal to 1 by 2 integral 0 to pi by 2 cos of pi by 3 pi by 2 minus t dt, condition wise. Okay. Now here u equal to 1 by 2 into integral 0 to pi by 2 cos of pi by 3 into sin t into dt. Now u equal to 1 by 2 into, now limits are become same, that's why t symbol replaced with x, dt replaced with dx. U equal to 1 by 2 into v, that is check in options once. 2u equal to v is there now, that is 2u equal to v, that is option A is a correct one. Next, question number 37. 37 is given f of x is differentiable function for all x belongs to t. T is a period generally. Here f of x equal to f of 10 minus x. Here we need to find integral minus 5 to 5 f dash of 5 plus x into x power 4 e power x square dx value we need to find out. Here first we need f dash of x form, that's why differentiating on both sides. F dash of x equal to, this is f dash of 10 minus x into minus 1. That is f dash of x equal to minus f dash of 10 minus x. Now in the place of x I will take x plus 5 because f dash of x plus 5 required. That value we need to find it here, or 5 plus x, no problem. F dash of 5 plus x equal to minus f dash of 10 minus of 5 plus x, that is minus f dash of 10 minus 5, that is 5 minus x. Send this minus this side. F dash of 5 minus x equal to minus f dash of 5 plus x. Here the function is given what? Minus 5 to 5, 5 to 5, f dash of 5 plus x, x power 4 e power x square dx. This is clearly satisfied negative condition, the value wise. This is an odd and these two are even. Odd into even function, what you will get? Odd into even is odd function. For odd function, the value becomes what here? 0. Clear? No need to verify again because f dash of 5 minus x, simple logic here, minus if we replace, we got this much. Okay, na? That's why here odd into even function, the value becomes 0. Next. Question number 38. Different integral of odd and even and periodic function concept. Here minus a to a f of x dx. This value we need to find out clearly. By adding also we get condition same only no need to simplify further. Integral minus a to a f of x dx equal to, we need to find out. Okay, this one considered as I. Equation number 1. Apply property. What property here? Now minus a to a is there, we have to replace x with minus x into dx. This is equation number 2. Add 1 and 2. 2y equal to integral minus a to a f of x plus f of minus x dx. This we can write. Now you verify this even function or odd function. just we're replacing x with minus x. Now f of x plus f of minus x. In this, if you substitute, it is clearly is a even function. Reason, substitute minus f of minus x, f of minus x plus x only. That's why the function is remains same, you will get. That's why 2y equal to, this we can write 2 into integral 0 to a f of x plus f of minus x dx. 2 cancel, I equal to integral 0 to a f of x plus f of minus x dx. That is, option D is the correct one. Next, question number 39. 39 is given integral minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 sin power 10x into 6 into x power 9 25 into x power 7 plus 4 into x cube minus 2x dx. Now sin power even power is there, that is a even function only. Actually sin is a odd function, but when even power is there, it becomes even function, and this is completely odd. Any variable power odd number is there, it gives negative only. That's why this is the odd function, this is also odd. So even into odd function, what will get? Odd function. For odd function, integral value how much? 0. Next, question number 40. So question number 40, integral minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 sin square x into cos square x into sin x plus cos x dx. Okay, first multiply these two values inside. Integral minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 sin square into sin cube x into cos square x dx plus integral minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 sin square x into cos square into cos is cos cube x dx. Okay, now in this value sin cube, it is clearly odd, this is even. Odd into even, this clearly which function? This is clearly odd function. That's why this value directly 0 according to property integral minus a to a f of x dx. When f is a odd function, integral value 0. But this is not a odd function, it is an even function. Okay, we need to integrate that. 0 plus integral minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 sin square don't change, cos cube we can write cos square x into cos x dx. Integral minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 sin square x into cos square, I can write 1 minus sin square x into cos x. Now we can take sin x is t, reason sin x derivative present in the function. So here sin x equal to t. Differentiate, what will get? Cos x dx equal to dt. Lower limit t sin minus 90, that is minus 1. Upper limit, that is 1. Integral minus 1 to 1 t square into 1 minus t square cos x dx is dt. T square multiply inside. Integral minus 1 to 1 t square minus t power 4 dt. Integral of t square t cube by 3 t power 5 by 5 from minus 1 to 1. Substitute upper limit 1 by 3 minus 1 by 5 minus of minus 1 cube minus 1 by 3 minus 1 power 5, that is minus total 1 by 5. LCM 5 minus 3, that is 2 by 15. Here also LCM take minus 5 plus 3, that is minus 2 by 15. Minus of minus plus 2 plus 2 4 by LCM is 15. The answer is 4 by 15. Option B is the correct one. So next, question number 41. Question number 41, f of x and g of x are continuous functions. They have given integral log lambda, log of 1 by lambda, f of x square by 4, f of x minus f of minus x by g of x square by 4, g of x plus g of minus x into dx. To check even or odd, first we need to change the limits in terms of integral minus a to a. Integral log lambda, log 1 by lambda I can write lambda power minus 1. This function is remain same. F of x minus f of minus x by g of x square by 4, g of x plus g of minus x. This clearly even function, this is clearly odd function. Replace minus x here, f of minus x minus of minus plus will get, minus will get rotation, but this is not changing any nature. In limits, what you will get here? Log lambda minus log lambda. The function is remained same. This is also even function. This is a odd function. Once a property change, I will write which are even or odd. G of x square by 4, g of x plus g of minus x. Now if I interchange the limits, sign changes. Now what will you get here condition wise? Minus integral minus of integral minus log lambda to log lambda, f of x square by 4 and f of x minus f of x by g of x square by 4 into g of x plus g of minus x dx. Now I can check with property integral minus a to a. The limits before not like that. This complete, this is even, odd, even, even. So here even means like plus, plus into minus, minus by plus into plus. Total what you will get? Minus. So this complete function whatever is there, this clearly odd function. For odd function, integral value from according to integral minus a to a, value how much? 0 will get. 0 means that is option C is the correct one.